Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the look that I am wearing on my eyes today. I am loving how all of this came out. I think it is so bold, fresh, and fun. Probably more spring-like than the gloomy fall weather that we are currently having here in the city, but we're just gonna leave that at the door and pretend that it's spring. The palette that I am going to be using today is this one right here called Blossom Passion from Ace Beaute, or Beaute, still not sure how to pronounce it, but I have been loving the Paradise Collection. This is a part of it. I did do a look with a Fallen Paradise, so the purple tone palette, and it does make a bit of a cameo in this video for one particular color that I wanted to use, but I pretty much use all of the colors that you see in here. So almost everything on this top row I use, and I use all of these colors as well. So it's just this little quadrant over here that goes untouched, at least for this particular look. I will make sure to list all of the products that I use in the description box below, so make sure you expand that box to see everything that you need in order to get this particular look. Just before we dive into the tutorial, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the like button to show me that you enjoyed watching this video. I do plan on creating a couple of looks using the other two palettes in the Paradise Collection, so stay tuned for those, but in the meantime, enjoy Blossom Passion.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending. Nothing's ever broken.